Hello, Dream My friends! It's Miss Sandra, and I'm back for another story time. What do you usually do right before bed? Do you read a book? Well, today I have a book that can show us how stretching our bodies can help us relax right before bedtime. It's called Good Night Yoga by Mariam Gates. The sun in the sky is going down. As I breathe in, as I breathe out, my arms lift up to the sky and then back down like sun rays. And the clouds float by. As I breathe in, I bend my knees and scoop the clouds around me. As I breathe out, I stand tall and release the clouds over my head. As I breathe in, as I breathe out, my arms reach out wide toward the stars. The stars sparkle brightly as the moon rises high. As I breathe in, as I breathe out, my spine is long and I bend to each side like a crescent moon. As I breathe in, as I breathe out, I focus on one point and use my arms to soar. The birds are flying back now to their homes in the trees. As I breathe in, as I breathe out, my shoulders roll back, my heart is open, and I am solid like a tree. As I breathe in, as I breathe out, my palms press together as I squat on my leaf. The ladybugs settle softly between the butterflies. As I breathe in, as I breathe out, my feet press together and my knees spread out like butterfly wings. And the bees. As I breathe in, I sit up tall and reach my arms back like wings. As I breathe out, I buzz my head down to the ground. As I breathe in, as I breathe out, I arch my back like a cat. The little blue cat who lives in the moon whispers, "Good night, world, you'll be dreaming soon." As I breathe in, as I breathe out, I sit on my heels, still and round like the earth. Yoga helps us to stretch our muscles and helps us to breathe in and breathe out. I want you to practice the moves you learned today right before bedtime every single night. And I'll see you next time with another book. Bye!